clouded mind and a heavy heart, but I am sure we will see a new start. So when your hopes on fire, but you know your desire, don't hold a glass over the flame, don't let your heart